Yeah. Here come the leaks. Oh well. It is what it is. Do you care about the storms? Nah. It is what it is, right? I know. There he is. Good morning. I am waiting for our roofers to come because we're getting a new roof today on Miss Franny. Yay. I'm so excited. It's been 3 years with this baby with leaks all the time. So now's the time. Nice sunny day. We just got done with a huge storm. So it's gonna be a great day. I will try to get lots of footage for you and getting a new roof. Yay! Okay, so what they're doing right now is disconnecting the solar panels from the black joiner box, which carries the power. We don't want anybody electrocuted. I've shut the main power off to the joiner box, and they are just removing the solar panels. Well, we just cleaned the, what is this, air conditioner cover?
Air conditioner cover.
We got it. It's all white again. Yeah. Yay. I'm going to get a bath here in a minute, aren't I?
Yeah, it's going to get, with all this wind here, it's going to get a little stormy in a minute.
I'm out of here.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? What if we have to paint that now? We don't have to paint that now. Well, I didn't know we were getting a bath for the RV too. That's awesome.
Get it wet so the dirt don't stick to it.
There's already dirt stuck to it.
Well, it's on the roof, could be nasty. Well, the last one, like I said, was a black roof because it was all gone. So when we washed it, that black turned into mud. And it ran down the whole damn coach and everything was mud.
Ugh.
Black marks everywhere.
Well, Franny's getting a bath.
So if there's anything up there that makes cleaning it afterwards a little easier to see.
Right. Works for me. guys are hard at it now, just starting to put the coating on and doing a darn good job. This is a long process, but they got all the old coating off. They scraped everything off and washed it and dried it. Oh my goodness. And they've been here since 9, it's now 2. So they've done a lot of work already. And they're just starting to put the roof on now. So this is crazy. I'm glad we hired this out. There's no way I could have done this. Or neither one of us for that matter. So had to be done. Well, the panels are sitting here until Monday so that the roof can dry. And then the men are coming back on Monday to put the panels back up. And I will be washing them before they go back up. That's pretty nasty. Yeah, they need a good bath. Good morning, all. This is Monday morning. Fast forward from Friday when the men came from the roofing company and did our roof. And oh, let me show you. So they have everything done. The only thing left to do is put our solar panels back up on the roof. On the roof. On the roof. Up on the roof. So we're so excited, and these guys have gone way above and beyond what's required. They aim to please. This bar right here was bent for our awning. It was bent really bad. They came and they replaced that bar. Let me go over here. They replaced the bar. This was so hard to get up and down. It was bent. There was no lock on this bar. They put, oh dear, you can't see it, this handle on and a lock up here. This lock right there. And they put that lock on. All for 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Gotta love it. And I'm expecting them in about 15 minutes. So excited. Finally, no more leaks. Yay. I can't tell you how many, well, it's been 3 years. And patch job after patch job after patch job. And we just couldn't get a handle on it. So finally this year we said, yep, that's it. So the next job after this will be to tear out the bedroom wall, because that's where most of the damage was. But that is for another video. Well, they're here. They're here. And there's S&A Mobile RV Repair Service. And they're here to finish the job. Yay. Hello, gentlemen.
Morning.
Good morning. Morning, Tim.
Good morning.
And here we go.
Look at you with your awning up in your screen room.
Well, yeah, it's got to be comfy, you know. And there goes one.
Hey, now, tip. Right, go ahead. Keep going, you're okay. Don't fall off the roof. No,
Don't fall off the roof. Yes, Tim, I don't want to take you to the hospital today, okay?
not practiced my CPR in a while.
Right?
Just sitting right on my bench. Yep, right there.
That's good.
Now, every one of these straps, hookups, is exactly the same length.
Yeah, yeah.
So that part is the same. So yeah.
Mhm.
So the other two, it doesn't matter which one we put there,
Yeah,
because the wires are running right there. Exactly. Okay.
Oh, I'm trying to take this water a little bit right here. I'm running it up.
Yeah.
And then that way I can get my bike water.
They're doing it.
Yeah, this turned out real nice. Wow. It's like waxing your car. Yeah, it's like a whole sheet of.
But I will tell you this: don't send your kids up here again.
Yeah, don't come up here.
No.
When it's wet.
Now, especially when it's wet.
No,
They'll slide right off.
no, I will not.
Ready?
Yep.
Yikes.
Keep going. Okay, tip. Walk it. There you go. Walk it. All right, you're on.
Very cool. Here goes number 3.
Oh God. All right. It's got a little bit of
I got scrapers.
yeah.
Take that little bit of stuff off. I'll cover them right up with dyke cord.
Okay, walk it. Yep. Okay, you're on.
How about that? As slick as you please. All cleaned up, swept up all the residue, and we're all good to go. I have some of this. Got to clean up this. Minor. I conquered a little bit of my fear, and I'm up here with Tim. Well, I'm not up on the roof. I'm kind of just hanging on for dear life while he does all the bolting down of our panels again, and gotta love this guy. He's got it together. Wow, that's a tight fit. It's a tighter fit than I thought. He's doing it, and I'm getting down. Before I can't get down, I start freezing up, so do your thing, Tim. They're all done, and they're leaving, and it was not anywhere near the expense we thought it was going to be, so we're very happy. Thank you, gentlemen, for all your work.
You're welcome. Very welcome.
Wonderful, wonderful job. been a very pleasant experience. No surprises. Hi! Hi! Beautiful. And we have a new roof. And that, my friends, is the end of this story.